In this video, you'll learn how to engage in peer-to-peer trading on Bitget. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently using the platforms. To begin this process, navigate to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL. Once the site loads, you will see the main interface, which prominently features options for trading various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy Crypto situated on the homepage. This action will redirect you to a new screen that presents various options for purchasing digital currencies. Ensure you are on the correct page before continuing. After that, look for the option titled P2P trading within the purchase options. Clicking on this will take you to the P2P trading section where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users. This section is designed to facilitate seamless transactions between buyers and sellers. Once this appears, you will notice a message indicating that you can use P2P to buy and sell USDT. This message confirms that you are in the right place to initiate your trades. Be aware that you should verify your account balance and available payment methods before proceeding. Now, trade safely and easily with zero fees on Bitget P2P. You can trade USDT via various payment methods, including bank transfers and e-wallets. Make sure to check if your preferred payment method is supported before continuing. Next, click on an advertiser or user from the list presented on the screen. This selection will allow you to view their trading offer, including the price and payment methods they accept. Review this information carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. After selecting a user, proceed by clicking the buy button associated with their offer. This will initiate the transaction process, and you will be directed to a new page where you can specify the details of your purchase. At this point, click on the option labeled Crypto to choose the type of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Selecting this will bring up a list of available cryptocurrencies for you to choose from. Make your selection to continue. Following that, click on Price to enter the amount you are willing to pay or the quantity of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Entering this information accurately is crucial to ensure a successful transaction. Next, you need to click on Amount/Limit to set the limit for the transaction. This step is important to ensure you do not exceed your budget during the purchase. Now, click on Payment Methods to select how you wish to pay for the cryptocurrency. Ensure that the payment method you choose is compatible with the seller's requirements. After selecting your payment method, click on Crypto again to confirm the type of cryptocurrency you are purchasing. This confirmation is essential for finalizing the transaction. Once you have reviewed all details, proceed by clicking on the Buy button to complete the purchase. This action will initiate the transaction and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been placed. If you wish to sell cryptocurrency instead, click on Sell to access the selling interface. This will allow you to list your cryptocurrency for sale and set the terms of the sale. Next, click on USDC to specify the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Ensure you select the correct asset to avoid any mistakes. Finally, click on Sell to finalize your selling transaction. This will take you through the necessary steps to complete your sale successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.